Today I'm going to show you how to use N8n templates in just a few simple clicks. This is a really fast way to get started with workflows, save time, and build automations without having to create everything from scratch. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's get right into it. First, open N8n and look at the menu on the left side. Click on Templates. This will take you to the template library where you can browse ready-made workflow setups created to help you automate different tasks. Next, scroll through or search for the template you want to use. Once you find the one that matches your goal, click on the desired template to open it. Take a moment to make sure it's the right one for what you need. After that, look for the button that says Use for Free and click it. This tells N8n that you want to bring that template into your workspace without starting from zero. Once you've done that, you'll see the option to import. Click Import to add the template into your N8n account. After the import finishes, the workflow will be ready for you to review and customize as needed. And that's it. You now know how to use N8n templates to speed up your automation setup. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more N8n tutorials coming soon.